Alright guys, there's some pretty amazing lighting out here right now. I just got my wife up a couple minutes ago. Told her she needed to get out here and grab some pictures because it's just beautiful, right? So she's down by the water. Dedication to her craft. All right, you guys. Yeah, it's a nice sunrise this morning. Tin, how you doing over here, buddy? You got a full mouth. That's what you got, a belly full, Bo. I don't even want to open that door anymore. You're busy with breakfast, huh? Alrighty, we're gonna step outside where it's 22 degrees. Sorry, it's gone up to 23 degrees. I don't know if we'll be seeing those pumpkins again or not. Any more than that. We have the prediction of a winter storm tonight, starting at 11 p.m. all the way through till Saturday. And it is Thursday right now. And we're supposed to get upwards up to about 18 inches of snow. And it doesn't sound like it's going to be awfully cold. In fact, it's going to be teetering on possibly rain or frozen mix as well, which is always fun. That's the stuff around here that makes it tough when it does that. You know, it'd be nice if we got nice fluffy white snow like this. This is all right, you know. I mean, if you're going to have snow. It's when it becomes wet and icy that it's just not cool, you know. So I'm going to have to make sure that I'm prepared for this big storm. Make sure we got gas for the snowblower. Stock up on any groceries we might need. And I do need a few things. I do need to make a few runs from the property here and get ready for this big change in landscape. I did get a new pair of boots though. I went through many different boots and it wasn't so much price as it was were they comfortable enough to walk around in, you know, possibly, you know, go out and do snowshoeing and that type of thing out in the woods, and were they warm and were they waterproof. And I ended up getting some totes. You know, it's probably a mid boot, you know, meaning, you know, not the best, but a decent boot. Yeah. I'll tell you what time it is. 12:33. We gotta get ready for this storm, so we're heading out right now. And we're gonna do what we need to do to get prepared. Alright guys, so far I got some gas, just talking about that, and I got a bag of groceries here, all kinds of goodies. We got some squash in there, we got sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, some garlic, all kinds of little potatoes. I think I said that. What else? Basically that type of thing. But a bag full of stuff, you know. And whatever these, what's that green? I can't think of it right now, but ooh. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, $86 worth of groceries. Now I have one more stop to make, and then we're heading home, and I'm going to do whatever chores I need to do before the big storm comes. We are back on the road. Trying to eat a mozzarella stick, not necessarily easy. A cheese stick. This particular part of my journey back home very much reminds me of just something out of a postcard. Like this house right up here, this house right here to the left. It seems like something out of a Norman Rockwell painting, you know? And then just the landscape around here, and the lighting, even on the dreariest of days, to me it's very much something, you know? I mean, this farm scene right here. Of course, this little piece broke. That was probably my fault. Watching a little bit of Living Free with Mike. And it is crazy out at that bird feeder, right? Look at that. That's nothing. That's just one little family. We usually got about many different groups of birds hanging out here. They have so many places that they can chill in around here. It's just like crazy. It's just so many birds. The snow's really coming down now, guys. Well, it's coming down. And fortunately, it has not stuck much today. I'm so grateful because I don't feel like going out and dealing with it. Probably a mistake to not have gone out and shoveled off that driveway, but I'm just not up to it today, guys. There's no problem with winter when you're set up in the right way, you know, which we are here. Tim, how you doing? Saying hello, guys. Got yourself a Tin Man? You're all set. You just got to insulate right. I have a lot of blankets. That's how I do it. Getting ready to cook up some dinner here. It's way early, though. It's only 2:30 in the afternoon. But I have been up, gosh, I didn't sleep well last night, but you know, yeah, since about 4 o'clock as usual.
Who knows? Maybe we can even get set up next to a lake. Just keep moving. Browns have piled up 240.
What are you doing? Guess what? My car ran out. No, it didn't break down. It ran out of gas.
Window covers on.
Anyways, I should get motivated. I haven't checked the temperature over yet. Darn it.